Keval Shah, studying in the first year of the degree of the computer engineering. I have attended this workshop at the Sony Institute of the Technology. Build your own PC. I have in this workshop we got the training of how to install the OS through bootable pen drive and assembling and disassembling the devices of the CPU by ourselves. So I am very thankful to the Sony Institute for giving us this opportunity and all faculty members.